How to fix iPhone swipe up not working problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest tech videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the iPhone swipe up feature that's not working problem. Let's dive right in. First off, let's check up if you can access the control center within apps. Here's how. Open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on control center. Make sure access within apps is enabled. This should help with the swipe up functionality. Next, turn off voiceover if it's enabled. Sometimes this feature can interfere with the swipe up gesture. Here's what you need to do. Go back to Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, tap on voiceover and make sure it's turned off. Give it a try now. If this issue still persists, we can reset all the settings. This won't delete your data, but it will restore settings to default. Here's how. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and then reset all the settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. This can often resolve many issues. Finally, let's restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix a glitches. Here's how. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, tap on Shutdown, slide to Power Off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Enter your passcode when prompted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.